Intel's ads that mock Apple. Will Cupertino still update the Intel Mac Pro? Following the story about Intel that we covered a few days ago, cherry-picking their test results that showed off the new Evo platform versus the M1, they also released a handful of pretty poorly done attack ads with lines like, if you can flip through Photoshop thumbnails with your actual thumb, you're not on a Mac. Go PC. If you can power a rocket launch and launch Rocket League, you're not on a Mac. Go PC. That Go PC thing. Genius. Is it just me, or does this smack of bitterness? I have to be honest, it feels to me, and I don't often go for feels, I like to go with evidence. Intel felt like they were entitled to Apple's business, which is probably why they lost it in the first place. They've not been able to keep up with the progress being made over at AMD in terms of improvements in processor performance, and at least when it comes to performance per watt. The reason that Apple moved from IBM's PowerPC platform to Intel's in the 2000s. It feels very much like, as the incumbent and probably the default choice for a PC because of their history, that they didn't push hard enough to stay at the front of the pack, and it will be interesting to see how they go on for the next few years. They still have the vast majority of the market to themselves for now, but for how long? And how will they cherry-pick data in their own favour in a month when Apple will probably launch their M1X based Macs, most likely with twice the count of performance Firestorm cores at least, which will close to double the performance in multi-threaded workloads. I'm sure they will be able to dig out some high-powered water-cooled or maybe liquid nitrogen-cooled desktop that can keep up and still melt the snow outside your house, but all the best taking that down to Starbucks to get some work done. Of course, I joke. I don't remember what going to a coffee shop is like anymore. I'm iCave Dave and I simplify Apple so everything just works for you. And if you want the latest Apple news, leaks and rumours every weekday at 12 UTC, like this video, subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss a thing, and post up #NotificationSquad down in the comments so that I can give you a shout out at the end of the next video.